In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Pipedrive with WhatsApp in just a few easy steps. This tutorial is designed to be straightforward and user-friendly, so whether you're a seasoned techie or someone who's relatively new to integrations, you'll find this guide accessible and informative. To kick things off, the first thing you want to do is navigate over to Make's website. This platform will be our central hub for the integration process. So fire up your preferred browser and go to the Make website. Once you're there, ensure that you're logged into your account. If you don't have an account yet, I recommend signing up to follow along and get the full experience. With successful login behind us, let's move on to the next phase. Use the search function on the Make website to look up Pipedrive. Simply type Pipedrive into the search bar and you should see Pipedrive CRM appear in the results. This is the tool we'll be integrating with WhatsApp, so go ahead and click on Pipedrive CRM. Once you've selected Pipedrive CRM, you'll need to make a decision here. You'll see various options catered to different functionality needs. Choose the option that best aligns with your requirements for this integration. After making your choice, it's time to create a connection. This step is pivotal because it links Pipedrive with Make, allowing data to flow seamlessly between the two. Look for the option to create a connection, and once you find it, make sure to click that button and hit save. Saving this connection ensures that your settings are preserved, sparing you from having to redo steps in the future. With Pipedrive now connected, let's turn our attention to integrating WhatsApp. Click on the plus sign, which allows you to add another app to your integration. In the search bar that appears, type in WhatsApp. You'll want to specifically look for WhatsApp Business Cloud. This is the version designed for these types of integrations. Once identified, click on WhatsApp Business Cloud to proceed. Next, you'll focus on sending messages through WhatsApp. Click on the option labeled Send a Message. This action is what links your Pipedrive information to actual WhatsApp messages. This is where you start realizing the benefits of streamlining your communications through integration. Much like before, you'll need to create a connection here as well. After you click on Create a Connection, be sure to click Save. This save action finalizes your integration, ensuring that your messages can be sent through WhatsApp using data from Pipedrive without a hitch. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Pipedrive with WhatsApp. Your setup is now complete, and you can start enjoying the streamlined communication between your CRM data and your messaging platform. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or feedback below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech guides.